Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have a small garbage pail that I am running out of garbage bags for. So I got myself this here. This is a garbage bag pack of 90 bags and I'll show you guys what they look like and how they are. So let's see, we can open this up here. It's got a little arrow. I'm gonna guess that means to open it this direction. No, it opens the other way. I guess peel it off. Okay, so this is what it is here. And so each one of these should be 8 gallons. So let's see, where's the separation point on it? Right there. So it's got a little separator. So I can leave that in there. I can open this up and I'll show you guys how big 8 gallons looks like. It's actually bigger than my garbage bag. My whole garbage bin would fit inside of it, but that's just how big it would be. And so for me, I'll stick it inside the bin and I'll show you here in a second. So I can fit it inside my bin, fit it around there, and it's nice, good size. Mine has a little rim around it and then an automatic opener, so I have to assemble all that stuff. But pretty cool, I like it. It's nice to have more garbage bags so I don't have to be cleaning out this bin all the time. So totally want liners. And these are great because they're kind of, see-through and everything like that. So it's not gonna make it look ugly like I was using some bags from the grocery store and stuff like that, but then they're all different colors and everything. And I want it to look nice. So this is gonna give me the ability to make it look nice without spending a fortune. So very good, thumbs up for sure.